Good morning, students. Okay, in the last video, we have seen that a boy in this poem wanted to become an hawker. Okay, in the morning. Okay, because he have seen that hawker have very free life. Okay, so let's see what he wanted to become in the afternoon. Okay, when at 4 in the afternoon I come back from the school, means when he come back from the school at 4 o'clock, okay, at the afternoon, then what he thought, I can see through the gate that house the gardener digging the ground. Okay, so now what he saw that from the gate of his house he saw the other house. Okay, and there one gardener is digging the ground. Digging means he is taking soil from that ground and planting trees, and then again keeping that soil at that place, means he is planting the trees. Okay, in the picture you can see what gardener is doing. Okay, he is digging the ground. So that boy saw that, okay, from gate of his house. He does what he likes with his spade. He soils his clothes with dust. Nobody takes him to task if he gets baked in the sun or gets wet. So, what he saw from the gate, that gardener does what he likes with his spade. Spade means a tool used for digging soil. Okay, so here you can see a tool. Okay, this is spade. So with spade he is doing whatever he want to do. Okay, whatever he likes to do, he is digging the soil. Okay, he soils his clothes with dust. Here, soils his clothes means to make his clothes dirty. Okay, he was making his clothes dirty uh, with the soil, because as he is working in the soil, then obviously after planting the trees he will water that plants. Okay, then his clothes are getting dirty. Okay, so that boy saw that his clothes get dirty, okay, with dust. Nobody takes him to task if he gets baked in the sun or gets wet. So here, takes him to task means scolds and corrects. Okay, means he was getting dirty in the soil, but nobody is scolding or correcting him. Okay, so what that boy thought, that if he have done things like that, then his parents will definitely scold him, okay, or correct him. But he was saying that that gardener is doing the same thing. He was also getting dirty, he was also doing work in the soil, but no one is shouting at him. Okay, he was just doing his work what he was liking. So that boy thought that, why it is not same for me? Okay, if I do the same thing, then my parents will definitely scold me. Okay, punish me for that. But here the gardener is doing the same thing, but he was not getting punished. Okay, also if he gets baked in the sun. Okay, baked in the sun means parched by exposure to sunshine. Okay, means whenever someone uh, remain in the afternoon, okay, in sunlight, okay, then he will become black. Okay, his color will be black. So that's what is baked means, parched by exposure to sunlight. Okay, so then also no one is scolding him. Okay, and as he is planting the plants, okay, he will also get wet. Okay, because he has to water the plants. So sometimes he get wet, but still no one is scolding him, no one is correcting him, okay, no one is shouting at him. So now that boy is wanting to become gardener, okay. I wish I were a gardener, digging away at the garden with nobody to stop me from digging. So, why he wanted to be a gardener? Because he wanted to get dirty. He wanted to play in the soil. Okay. He wanted he wanted to dig. Okay, dig the soil, dig the ground. Okay, so that if he would be a gardener, then nobody will stop him from digging. So he wished that I wish I were a gardener. So in the morning, what that boy wanted to become? He wanted to become a hawker. And now in the afternoon, he was wanting to become gardener because he likes to get dirty, he likes to play in the soil, he likes to get wet. And if he become a gardener, then he will get a chance, okay, and no one will stop him from digging, okay. Just as it gets dark in the evening and my mother sends me to bed. So now it's the night time, okay. It gets dark in the evening means gets dark means it is the night time. Then at that time his mother is sending him to the bed, okay. So have you seen that the entire day of that boy is fixed, okay, is planned by his mother, okay. He has to go to bed, okay, when the evening is dark, okay. So in this video we have seen that boy wanted to be a gardener at in the afternoon, okay. In the next video we will see what that boy wanted to become at the night, okay. Thank you.